I'm Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be back. I know I've taken a break for the last month. My husband came back from a deployment and then we celebrated our anniversary and he was home for 2 weeks. So I tend to spend as much time with him as possible when he's home, and I kind of put my channel on a break whenever he has leave. So that's basically what happened, but I am happy to be back. And today I actually have a fun new unboxing to share with you, featuring two new prints, one classic JuJuBe print and one Tokidoki JuJuBe print. So yay, I'm excited to unbox this. I have Simply Shibori and I have Kawaii Around the World. Now, Simply Shibori, I'm gonna have to read off of what JuJuBe says because it is new to me, what I learned about this print. So to me, originally, I thought it was just a beautiful white and blue tone tie-dyed print, but it's actually got more to it. So here's what JuJuBe says. It says, Simply Shibori is inspired by a traditional Japanese method of dyeing fabric called shibori, meaning to ring. So Simply Shibori is a contemporary translation of an ancient art form, and it features deep indigo blues that dance upon a white background. So it's super pretty, and I can't wait to show you guys it. And then Kawaii Around the World sounds like basically what it is. It's Tokidoki, stamps, travel, everything just layered upon layer of travel Tokidoki characters. It's gonna be so much fun to open. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. I can't believe I forgot to bring my scissors for this. I'll be right back. Here I am. So I did not go crazy this time. As you guys can see, I have a fairly small box, but it does have some weight to it. I tried to get a few different styles of each print. I know I only chose two of the Simply Shibori, but I did choose a lot more of the Kawaii Around the World because you guys know I'm a big Tokidoki fan. Alright, and I don't even know what the Donatella print placement looks like on this one. I didn't look too carefully because I wanted to see it in person and make my decision then when I saw it. So, oh, it's really cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, how perfect is this for summer travel? Okay, I'm gonna start with this first. This is the JuJuBe set in Kawaii Around the World. It is really cute. It has a lot of vibrant colors, but it also has a lot of pastels in it, which you guys know I love. Oh, these are so cute. I just love these little details that they do. So here you go. These little details for the pools. Isn't that cute? You have Sandy here. But this is the print. This is the back. I want to show you guys the back of this print on the Be set because the back doesn't have the tag in the way, but that's my back. This is the front. So I do have Donatella down here. She's really cute. But you know what? I think my favorite print placement is actually the little bunny girl and then the super pretty Sakura style unicorno. So I'm gonna show you guys that. This is my favorite print placement on this print. It is so cute. I love it. Oh, it's so cute. So on the front here we have New York, Hawaii, Singapore, looks like Greece, like the Colosseum, Paris. Oh, that one's really cute too. Oh, I like that one. I'll have to look at all these, but it's just like all around the world. It is so cute. So let's go ahead and look at my print placement on the other pieces. Ooh, the lining is really pretty. I'll show you guys that too. This is the lining. Can you guys see that okay? It's kind of like an aqua blue, and then you have the embossed lining there. I'm not even sure. It's not really embossed. It's just patterned, okay? Want to make sure I got that right. But that's really cute. It's your usual Tokidoki interior fabric print. So this is really cute. Okay, so there's the Paris one. That one is probably my second favorite. I think Donatella is super cute. She's doing the hang loose sign, but I don't know. I think Paris and Japan are probably my favorite on this print. Oh, I have it on the back. My print placement, yay. This is the front. If you're new to JuJuBe and new to the Be set, I highly recommend you buy one of each of them. I just love them so much. And I kind of have a huge collection of Be sets. Speaking of which, I know I promised you guys a tour of my bag closet. I promise it's coming. I just cleaned out my closet while my husband was home to make sure everything's a little bit more organized, but then of course I got a new JuJuBe box. So now I've got to fit some of this in there too. It gets a little overwhelming when I have so much. and then I have to go through some of it and find out what I really love and what needs to stay. And what doesn't need to stay. So this is definitely going in my closet though, because I just love this. It's so cute. So that's the medium set. As I mentioned, the B set comes with 3 pieces. So I have the small piece here, and I do have some of the print placement from the Japan location on this bag. So cute. Love this. Okay, so that is the B set. Okay, I got a lot of things to share with you guys in here, so I'm going to try and not take too long. Okay, I'm curious to see what my print placement is on this. I got the Bestie. You guys know the Bestie is in between the BFF and the mini BFF size. And I really wish that they would go up just one more size on the Bestie. I don't know what they would even call it. I'm not that creative to think up names. But I would love an in-between size from the Bestie to the BFF. Let me know down in the comments if you agree. I'd love to know what you would call it. If it was not the BFF and not the Bestie, what would you call that bag style? So, okay, I don't have my perfect print placement. This is cute though. I have Donatella's passport. I'm pretty sure that's what it is on the very front here. So this is the Bestie. Isn't that super cute? And this bag can be worn over the shoulder, crossbody, and as a backpack. So here is the back. Try and move that tag out of the way. There you go. Isn't that cute? Let's take a look on the inside. I really love the lining color that they chose for this print. It's a little bit more vibrant than I'm used to for Aqua, but for Tokidoki, it is perfectly fine. I love it. Looks really, really good with this print. And then the strap they included is actually white, so that's different. And I did want to show you guys something I don't think I've ever owned before from JuJuBe, but I did want to get it this time around because I loved the color, and you guys will understand when you see it. But I did get their like messenger strap that I don't think I have owned any of these before. It's like a sold separately canvas seatbelty type of strap, so it's pretty wide. It looks like it's a 2-inch wide strap, and it is in their new color that matches the Kawaii-round the world print. Yeah, I think that's what it's even called, is the Kawaii-round the world print strap. So it's really pretty. It has the vanilla colored JuJuBe Beyond Collection material here, and then you have the Kawaii around the world color. Isn't that pretty? I just had to have it for this collection. I just thought I cannot get this collection without getting the strap too. It's just so pretty. So, oh, I'm loving everything so far. Also got the Be Quick. I'm curious to see what my print placement is. Oh, I can see it now. Yay! I do have the bunny girl. I'm just gonna call her that. If you guys know what she's actually called, please let me know, because I like to try and be as thorough as possible when I'm describing characters and things. But I've never seen this one before, and she's just the cutest thing I've ever seen on here. I think I like her even more than Donatella, which is crazy. So here is my print placement on my Be Quick. The Be Quick is such a great bag. It holds diapers, it can hold wipes, it can hold changes of clothes, it can hold snacks, like all kinds of things. You can also use it as a purse because it does come with a little messenger strap in here, and that's what it looks like. It also has a little zippered pocket back here. So I love the Be Quick. It is so perfect for new moms. And it's also just really cute to add to your outfit if you're doing a date night. So that is the Be Quick. See what else I've got in here. I also got 2 bags, you guys. Now I have not done a Be Light video in quite a while. I know I have other promised videos to share with you guys before I do this one. I'm so far behind on content, but it was worth it because I got to spend time with my husband, but then I do get backed up. So I got the Be Light here, which is so cute in this print. Now, one thing that I love to use Be Lights for during travel, which I would definitely use this on my next trip, is I like to throw toys and books and things like that in here for a car bag. So I have 3 boys, and I'm always trying to figure out like who gets this bag for all their stuff. So it's nice to have lots of Be Lights around so the kids can just unzip them, pull their switches out, pull their books out, whatever they need. And they each have their own bag. So I really like that. This is just the perfect print for travel though, so it's super cute. Look at this. I love it. let me know, and I'm not gonna make promises, but let me know if you guys wanna see a packing video on this bag, because the more people that say they want something, then the more likely I am to do it. So I do have a beach bag video coming for the last unboxing that I did for the JuJuBe. So stay tuned for that. That is coming because enough people told me they wanted to see that. But there's the Be Light. I love it. It's perfect also for dropping off at church nursery or daycare and things like that. So here's the next bag. I got the Be Packed because as much as I love the midi backpack, I do love the straps on this one better. So when I saw this came in a Be Packed, I'm like, I'm totally getting this. Totally. It is so cute in this print. It is also such a great bag for traveling with, especially with this print, but just when I go to like theme parks and things, this is the bag that I want to grab for. So this is the Be Packed. Isn't that so cute? Here's your padded straps on the back. And this is what the back looks like. You have the diamond weave mesh back. So that is what that looks like. Let's go ahead and unzip this one. The Be Light doesn't have much going on inside of it. It's just basically gonna be the blue lining and then like there's one zipper in there. Other than that, there's not much to see. So that's why I didn't undo that one. But this one has a front zipper pocket here. And then on this side here, you have an open pocket here for a laptop or iPad, change pad, things like that. And that's basically what the inside looks like, but I do love the grab handle up top here, and then you have a zipper on the very back here. So I love this one. All right, so we've gone through the Kawaii Around the World print that I have gotten in this box. I love everything. I think this is such a great print for summer and just travel in general. So let's go ahead, whoopsie daisy, and go through my Simply Shibori, which is gorgeous. I like it a lot more in person than I thought I would. I feel very summery vibes from this type of print. Let's go ahead. Okay, so I got the Be set. I don't know. I guess I'll go ahead and open this one too, but I really, really want to open this one because I got the JuJuBe in it. Now I really, really wanted a JuJuBe in the Kawaii Around the World, but they didn't have it, so I did get that in the Be Light instead. But this one is like a must-have, you guys. How perfect is this print for like the pool and the beach? Great Wolf Lodge, like I can't think of a better print for that except for maybe another Toki. But I really, really like this one. It's got such beautiful tones of blue in it. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. For the pool and the beach, it's so perfect. And I have not seen what the lining looks like on this yet. Oh, I really like this too. You guys know I'm kind of really into JuJuBe's new logos, but I love that they color coordinate. It's so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and see what the inside looks like. Oh, it's blue. How perfect. Oh, it's a pool water blue. Look at that. It's so perfect. I love this for the pool. Ah! And so because I got the JuJuBe, I definitely had to get it in the Be set as well. So let's go ahead and open that. I did want to mention these are all available right now on the website, and if you guys want to shop JuJuBe with me, I would absolutely love that. If you do shop with me, please let me know, DM me, message me, let me know so I can thank you. But you guys can shop with me anytime on Shop JuJuBe at bit.ly/JuJuBeKS. So this is the Be set. Isn't that pretty? And we'll just go quickly through the other two pieces. I'm not worried about print placement with a print like this because it's so busy and it's all the same all over, if you know what I mean. With Tokidoki, you have to be a little bit more picky about it. So here is the small and medium Be set pieces. Super cute. So that is my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys were happy to see me after being gone for so long. I know I love chatting with you guys in the comments, so make sure you leave me a note down there and I will say hi back to you. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and fun, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!